Isn't it funny?
Who said that? Really?
I'm not gonna say who, but.
Fresh and Fit Moneyclips. Tune in as Myron addressed pregnancy allegations with family attorney James Sexton. Subscribe now and catch the YouTube short pod for quick insights, courtesy of Moneyclips. For the full-length discussion, head over to Rumble and YouTube. Don't miss this exclusive episode of the Fresh and Fit podcast. Subscribe and stay informed.
Masculinity is dead, right? Like, we live in the lost boy generation. Yeah, I mean, it's not just the inability to speak to women or the, people not being in shape or lower testosterone levels. Like, being loyal to your friends, especially your guy friends, is like a masculine trait. Standing through thick and thin is very important, right? And that's a lost art too. It's like we've lost masculinity in so many other ways that people don't even realize. And what I've noticed, especially from coming into like this world, the entertainment world, etc., from coming from a law enforcement background, loyalty is a foreign concept. Like it's like a
no integrity.
There's no integrity, and it's like the profession I came from, right? As you guys know, I used to work in law enforcement. You're hitting a door with somebody. Like you can literally both die going in. You needed to trust the guy that you were going into the house with. So like whether you liked each other or not, there was that level of respect and that level of like, oh, yo, I'm loyal to you because we can die together. And like the fact that I exhibit this trait and people look at me like I'm crazy tells me like, what the is going on? But then I look. Who are these people usually that look at me like I'm a foreign individual when I say to be loyal? Triple chin, fat, obese, look like no bass in their voice, haven't accomplished shit in their life, losers, right? You go to the gym with them, they do 2 sets, it hurts, I don't know if I can do this anymore. They're soft, and then it never fails. That's why you're where you're at. Guys, if you're broke or you're fat, etc., it's not just because you're broke and you're fat. It's an outward manifestation of your personality and your character. That's something that's missing nowadays. No character. People sell you out for a dollar if they can do it. And I'm talking about a lot of these YouTubers that ran to the gun to go ahead and make a hit piece immediately without knowing all the facts.
Yeah.
But that's what it is. That's in 2024 and beyond. There's none of this shit.
It's almost like #believe all women.
Whatever,
over
man.
again.
It's all good, man. Fucking simps everywhere, bro. And the fact that I can't believe it, even 4 years after the fact, people still sit there and rally and say, "Bar, leave fresh, blah blah blah." It's like I can't fucking believe that y'all still say this shit. Yeah. Like, what do I look like? Fucking Abba? I go ahead and turn around and switch up on people. Do I look like that? Do I look like someone that will go into someone's house and then do some backstab bullshit like that for $1? Do I look like that fucking ass clown? I don't think so. All right? Yeah. Might be from the same part of the world, but we got different mindsets. Completely different mindsets. He's a I'm not. I stand by my friends. He doesn't. All right? So, like I said before, if there's one thing you learn from this podcast, you guys have seen all the bullshit that we've been through. You guys want to know why we're successful and we keep pushing through? Because we stick together, man.
We don't give up.
That's why. We stick together, and you guys can say whatever the you guys want to say about Fresh, about Mo, about Bills, about Chris, or whatever. They're with us during the darkest times, bro.
Yep.
And that's why we're still here giving y'all the content that we're giving y'all. That's why we've been able to go strong. Bro, most YouTubers, you guys think most YouTubers would be around almost a year after the fact if they got demonetized?
No, they'd be gone.
They'd be fucking gone. The fact that we've still been able to give y'all content, and not only that, give y'all fucking bangers, give y'all amazing shit.
We had so many guests come on.
So many guests come on. We've had banger guests. We had Andrew Tate, Tristan Tate, Candace Owens, Andrew Wilson, Jake Shields,
Rampage Jackson.
Rampage Jackson. Just so many I can't even.
TK, Academics.
TK Kirkland was just here. Academics. Like, bro, like we've brought so many people in the past like couple months. In 2024, everyone's like, oh, Fresh and Fit's going to fall off in 2024. They're going to fall off. Out of here. Man, we've been getting better and better and better, giving y'all IRL streams, etc. We've just made the content better. New studio, etc. Everyone thought we were down for the count when we got demonetized, but we're fucking here. You guys want to know why we're here? Because we stick together with the people that we came in with. That's why. When you're loyal to people, they're loyal to you. Like I told y'all before, Destiny didn't have to fucking do that shit. But why did he do that shit? Because like, damn, Fresh and Fit stood by me, even though we're not friends, but they didn't fucking attack me while I was down. So you know what? I'm gonna fucking shit on this girl for them. We didn't tell him.
And he has questions.
But that's what happens because integrity is so goddamn rare that when you actually do get it, people are like, God damn, I respect this shit. Yo, they didn't kick me they didn't kick me while I was down for some views like everyone else fucking did.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm telling y'all, man. Maybe you're not a loyal person right now watching the show. Maybe you're not someone that has integrity. Maybe you're a guy that fucking flows with the wind, right? And you're not able to maintain friendships. People don't respect you, whatever. Bro, practice going against the grain. Practice being that guy that people can trust. Practice being that guy that people can rely on. He tells you something and says, bro, don't say nothing. You want to be that motherfucker. No one ever heard it. You know how many times people say, yo, don't tell nobody this, blah, blah, blah? Cool. It dies with me. And then they never hear it again. And then they're like, yo, I'm going to tell you something, yo, etc. I'm going to tell you this. I'm like, yo, don't tell nobody. I'm like, bro, when's the last time you heard something that you told me again? And they're like, actually, you're right.
Yeah.
Shit like that is what I pride myself on. People tell me shit, bro. I told y'all. Arab told me himself. He was kidnapped and he said, don't say nothing. All right. Y'all heard it? Y'all didn't hear it, did you? You heard it when he announced it on Twitter? But that's little shit like that, guys, is so important, man. If you have these traits, it's fucking respected because it's so goddamn rare nowadays, man.
I mean, even in public, walking into rooms, when you have that respect, you walk in, people show you homage.
People respect that trait. For all you idiots out there that sit there and say, man, you're loyal to a fault. Bro, it always comes back around positively when you do good to people, man.
Yeah.
When you do good to people, then you're not a piece of shit, right? And you don't sit there and you backbite them and attack them when they're down and everything else like that, or trying to get a gotcha moment or any of this other crap. They fucking respect you for that shit. Especially in this realm, in YouTube, where everyone's a fucking snake, bro. People are real snakes out here.
Yeah.
Like preying on your fucking downfall. Every day, there's people preying on us, like going down. People laugh when we got demonetized. People laugh when we get when anything bad happens to us, etc. But we're still fucking here.
And isn't it funny? People are like, oh, we call FreshandFit for comment. You didn't call us. You just made a video.
Who said that?
I'm not gonna say who.
Really?
I'm not gonna say who, but they made a video and it's like, all right, cool. I see you, bro. I see how it is. I see how it is. I'm gonna stay quiet, but I won't forget. Actually, hashtag's still over there.
Okay.
There you go.
Damn, bro.
That's crazy.
It's crazy, man. People come out the woodwork, man, and it's wild because it's funny. It's like if you make a hit piece on Fresh and Fit, you're gonna get like a bunch of views because these people can't garner views without it, bro. They really can't garner views without it. It's crazy. Special forces are behind you and salute to you, Myron, Fresh, and F&F crew. No one will stop us, and loyalty is everything to us, and we will always protect you guys. Thank you, my friend. Real ones know, man. Real ones understand, bro. The most masculine men, the guys that got their shit together, the successful guys, etc., they understand how hard it is to find loyalty and integrity. So when they find that shit, they fucking respect it. That's why wherever we go, got military guys come up to us, law enforcement guys come up to us, guys that have careers, guys that are fucking killing in life, always come up to us and say, yo, I'll fucking rock with y'all. I love the message, etc., because real recognizes real, man. They fucking know how hard it is to find guys that are actually genuine. The guy you see on camera is the fucking same guy that you're going to see in fucking person. I can't say that about 99% of these fucking YouTubers. For example, I'm a bitch. He a fucking bitch in real life. Weak ass handshake, real shy and timid, etc. Of course he don't want to fucking fight me. But on YouTube, real funny, all animated and shit. Bro, he's a fucking in real life, man. He's a in real life, man. And bro, he better pray to God I never fucking see him in person, bro. He better pray to God I never see him in person. Real talk, man. I had a conversation with Fresh about this shit off air, man. Like, I'm not gonna fucking sit here.
He chewed me out. Trust me.
Like,
trust me.
We already had this conversation, man. And I know y'all like, yo, go Fish accountable. Trust me, man. Behind the scenes, like, yo, man. It's done. He's not gonna do some dumb shit like this ever again, bro. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Like, we talked about it off air. And you know, and I've made mistakes too, of course. And he's talked to me on the side as well, right? And like, but I don't think I genuinely don't believe that those conversations are to be had on the internet. I think that should be done behind closed doors. Yeah, and that's it. Like, you don't need to make it a fucking spectacle. Like, if I really care about you and I'm gonna have a conversation with you where I care about your self-interest, why am I gonna do it in front of a camera? Like,
that's a big red flag.
Like, yo, that's a big red flag if someone's trying to hold you accountable in front of a camera. That's weird, bro. That's weird. Because how can you actually have a genuine, fruitful conversation in front of a camera? Because we're all men here. We all don't want to back down or look crazy or get emasculated on camera. Like, listen to yourselves when you say this stupid shit. You hold them accountable on camera. That tells me you haven't lived life for real. I remember one time, I was a team leader on a takedown, right? On a fucking house. And one of the agents fucked up. They didn't do something properly. right? Instead of shitting on him in front of everybody, right, and making him look crazy, I said, hey, can I talk to you for a second? I pulled him to the side and I told him, hey, man, don't do that. Do X, Y, Z instead. He's a new agent. Why am I going to fucking chew him out in front of everybody? But see, that's just a life skill that you learn from being a real individual and like working a real job and dealing with people normally. You don't ever shit on people publicly. It doesn't work. It doesn't work like that.